Okay guys, so in this video we'll be showing you how to input the program into our calculator that will put the coefficients of the general form of a circle that can help us to generate the center and the radius, and it will require us to have 50 steps input in the calculator, and this time we'll use program 2 slot. So we'll pick up a calculator, we'll press mode twice so that we know it's programming mode, and then we're going to add it. And this time we're adding number 2, so we'll select number 2, and then it is in the complete mode, and you should have program 2 on there, and it should say 000, and all we need to do is to type in the steps as shown on the screen right now. But bear in mind this is a minus sign. For the others is following the negative sign. It's only the last one that you actually use the minus sign instead of the negative sign. So we'll go ahead and get that done. So shift 3 1, shift 3 2, alpha A, shift 3 3, shift 3 1, shift 3 2, alpha B, shift 3 3, shift 3 1, shift 3 2, alpha C, shift 3 3, shift 3 1, shift 3 2, alpha D, shift 3 3, shift 3 1, shift 3 2, alpha X, shift 3 3. So until now we should have 20, so that's until there, and then now we're going to start out with the negative CA to the power of -1. So the negative sign, alpha C, alpha A. Now the negative sign is from this button here, right there. Okay, and then we're going to divide that by 2, and then the arrow shift 3 2, it should give us the value of C, so C, alpha C, and then shift 3 4. Now the next block is a negative, again the negative sign, this time is D, so alpha D, alpha A with the negative powered 1, and then that's going to be divided by 2, and shift 3 2, alpha D, and then shift 3 4, so that's after the D now, so it's a square root sign. The square root sign is this one. It automatically opens a bracket for us, so all we need to do is to square root C, square D, the square of D and the square of C minus XA to the power of -1. So alpha D squared plus alpha C squared minus alpha X alpha A with the power of -1, and close the bracket and shift 3 4. Okay, there should be 50 steps in the calculator, and once we have done that we can just press the on button, so it's in our calculator. So all I need to do is now program, this time is program 2, and it'll prompt me to ask for the 5 coefficients, and then you can use this example. So coefficient of x squared is 1 1, -4, 6, and -12. So 1 1, -4, 6, and -12. So that will give us the x value of the center 2, the y value of the center -3, and then the radius 5. So that we can mark down, and we'll learn what can we do on these from this data.